Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about why the Subaru BRZ might just be the best beginner car. Not just for new drivers, but especially for anyone looking to get into driving as a skill, a passion, or even motorsports. Let's get to it. First off, the BRZ is rear-wheel drive and perfectly balanced. That 50-50 weight distribution and low center of gravity means one thing. It teaches you how to actually drive. Not just get from A to B, but how to handle corners, feel grip, weight transfer, and throttle control. It's basically a driving school on wheels, bro. Unlike a front-wheel drive car that just understeers when you mess up, the BRZ rewards smooth inputs and pushes bad habits. It's a car that makes you a better driver. Now, it's not the fastest car on paper. 201 horsepower isn't mind-blowing, but that's actually a good thing. It's quick enough to be fun, but not enough to get you into serious trouble on the road. It encourages you to push it safely and legally. Of course, not in Mexico though. It's about driving engagement, and the BRZ delivers that better than most cars under 35K. And that brings us to the next segment, which is gonna be about cost. Another huge win for the BRZ is that it's affordable to buy, it's affordable to own, and it's affordable to run. It has good fuel economy. It's a simple boxer 4 engine. There's not much to it. It has somewhat reliability being a Japanese engine. Of course, if you just maintain it, you should have no worries. You can also push it. Not very many problems with it. You won't face problems unless you start tuning it and modding it. But I mean, that's with any car. And you can also get one of these bad boys for a great price. Insurance isn't outrageous either, especially compared to something like a WRX or a Mustang GT. This is perfect for younger drivers because you're not associated with those type of crowds, which may be a little bit more rowdier than the BRZ family. We're a little bit more classy, which makes it a little bit cheaper for you. So your pockets, your wallet will be thanking you later. Let's be real, the BRZ just looks sick. It's low, wide, and it has a huge enthusiast community behind it. Whether you keep it stock, go full track car, or stance it out, it's got the potential. Everybody just loves this car. You're not just buying a car, you're buying into a culture. One that supports learning, sharing, and building. As you can see, there's a huge aftermarket support for these cars because, like I was saying again, everybody just loves these cars. So if you're looking for a first car that's safe, fun, reliable, and actually teaches you how to drive, the BRZ is it. It's not the fastest, it's not the fanciest, but it's honest, pure, and rewarding. And that's why it's the best beginner's car, hands down. If you're thinking about buying a BRZ, drop a comment down below. Let me know which questions you have or what you'd like to see next. I'll honestly help you out with any questions because I love this car so much. Also, hit that like button, subscribe if you're into car content, and I'll catch you in the next one.